Hello everyone, this is Mark from the Shading Company out here in hot and humid Houston. In this video I'm going to show you the completion of these 3 recessed shades that we completed for a builder out here. The customer was looking for an area, wasn't concerned for much of any type of sun control or privacy. It's very private here behind me. As you can see here, right now it's around 4 o'clock, not too much sun getting into that patio, so he was more looking for more insulation of the area. You can see there's kind of 3 sliders back there. He wants to open them up, air condition the area, so we went with 3 universal screens vinyls with Saddler fabric on them. I'm going to show you how they come down. I'm going to bring channel 1 with the Sunfy motors, channel 2 right here, channel 3 coming down right now. It's a combination of white Saddler fabric with the clear screens on the top. Very nice solution. The customer is going to be able to seal this place up with no problem. The recess installations, it's a process that as the home gets built, we come in, we install preliminary channels in there, we install once that goes by, then we come in, install the shades, and the customer has the unit completely hidden. I'm going to bring them all up at the same time. The customer now is going to be able to control their environment with a single click of a button. Again, these are universal screens, motion screens with the vinyl and Saddler combination solid fabric at the bottom, powered by Sunfy RTS motors. And you're in the market for any exterior shading solutions, don't hesitate to give us a call. Again, this is Mark from the Shading Company.